Okay, so do you want the list of how bad things can go for you tonight?
Is going on out there, everybody? I hope everybody is having a fantastic holiday, and this is just going to be a quick brief update. I want to say thank you to everybody who's given me positive support and even the negative support. I know a bunch of people are having, you know, their conniption about, oh, I should have fixed the trailer before I went, but guys, I literally have been trying to fix it. It's not like I just went out here and, you know, didn't touch a single light, didn't fix the wiring harness in the truck or anything like that. But, you know, I get it, it's YouTube. You guys are going to have your beliefs, you guys are going to have what you guys want to have or say what you want to say, and I'm okay with it. I appreciate each and every one of you, but today it's just going to be a quick one. I want to say I hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I'm over here trying to get everything cleaned up. You probably won't have a video from me until probably Monday, but I want to go ahead and just announce that we are doing our Black Friday special. So with the promo code Black Friday, you now get free shipping, 5% off, and 5 times the entries to win this OBS truck. That's right, 5 times the entries, 5% off, and free shipping on everything you buy at www.senditstevemerch.com, which enters you to win the OBS Chevy, which, as you guys do know, we did a killer revamp on this thing. Now, we still have to do some things to it. The interior's got to get changed yet. And there's a little trim piece that goes here under the headlights that we have to locate. So other than that, guys, the truck is running and driving absolutely perfect. I had 0 issues with it. I absolutely love the thing. And honestly, I wish it actually had 4 doors, because if it had four doors, Mo and I would drive this thing a lot more than we do. But it's a little hard to get her in and out of the back. It gets a little frustrating. But again, guys, every dollar you spend is now worth 5 times the entries, 5% off, and free shipping, only using promo code Black Friday. That's it, guys. That's all you guys got to do. So again, promo code Black Friday, www.senditstevemerch.com, and I truly appreciate all the support and love that I get from you guys, from the fans to the haters. You guys all mean something to me. You guys, you know, help me grow every single day, and there's going to be some big changes coming to the channel very soon, definitely for 2020. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Go get your chances to win this. This giveaway ends December 16th, so it is what it is. Now I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna enjoy the weekend with the kids and everything. So again, I hope you guys get to spend time with family, friends, loved ones, and, you know, just truly be thankful for the blessings that you have. So again, guys, if you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe. And basically this is a video going on this and me kind of ranting a little bit about how much I love and hate you guys. Just kidding, I don't actually hate anybody, I'm a lover. But there you guys have it. This truck will be given away, and the promo code that we're giving here, Black Friday, ends Monday. So for Cyber Monday, it also goes. So as soon as you see this video, as long as it's not past the 1st of the month, the promo code stands. So use promo code Black Friday to get you entered 5 times the entries, 5% off, free shipping. Take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.